Anyways, I will be playing Friday Night Funkin', which is basically now copyrighted in Roblox. I say I'm pretty good. And guys, I will show you that I am good. This is basically Friday Night Funkin', but more appropriate. And I will not be talking during these songs. I will not be talking during these songs because you guys cannot hear my voice. A little bit of text. Dad has a t-shirt. Girlfriend has pants. So that was so embarrassing. This game is insanely popular, but I can't get on new ground. That makes me have to play in Roblox. Oh, I'm not the best player when it comes to real battle or something. Dang. Okay, forget about that. Let's play the B-side.
3, 2, 1, go!
Come on. Oh. Guys, I'm real sorry. I'm just not good at this. Dude, mom is so inappropriate. For Roblox is literally banned this game. If they saw how mom looks. Oh my god. And if I hear any good rhymes, I will be using them in videos. Wow, mess up. Dang. Okay, I done all these. Let's do something a little bit more interesting and that I can actually do. First, let me show you guys my favorite song, which is basically a mod on Real Friday Night Funkin'. But guys, this is pure made. And guys, if this loads, I'm gonna be so annoyed. Guys, I'm gonna be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. Okay, this is give me a break. This song can really jam, bro. It's a breaststick. His voice sounded kind of. So give me a break. I love the title of this. But dude, literally, he's trying to win with his so-called girlfriend in the back. If you guys can hear voices, just annoy him. What kind of rapping is this, bro? Oh my, you got me. Oh my, you got me. For some reason, I'm way better at rapping than singing. And rapping and singing are basically the same thing. Music and jamming. Close to the bar. Bro, you're so weak. I'm gonna have to put you on a stretcher. Bro, look at them arms. Look at your body shape. You're so weak. I'm gonna have to put you on a stretcher. You are so weak. I'm gonna have to put you on a stretcher. But guys, if you find this, I'm gonna show you a good one for beginners. If you're not so good at Friday Night Funkin', you might want to play this. Just listen, you might learn. We don't need a lot of static right now. No. Bro, what's that? Is that new? It's a little harder than I thought. They must have made this a bit harder. Okay, my man, you're gonna build that out control. Control. Yeah. Mrs. 34. Oh. Guys. Dude, why? No. Stop torturing me. Stop. Boyfriend. Stop. I'm gonna erase this from your mind, dude. I'm gonna erase it. I don't wanna see your brains. Oh. Guys, I'm in. Okay. One more song before I end this whole freaking video. Glitcher is way harder than I remember now. Okay, let me go to something that I can actually win. Let me try. Oh no. I forgot still on the condition. Okay. Okay. Doing 2 more songs. I'm ending this video. I'm so sad that I lost on the easy song. No. Hey. Dude, why do I hear people laughing? It's messing me up, of course. I hear people laughing. No, bum, 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 bum. Okay, I'll stop already. Boy, what the heck are you spitting? I don't see no bars coming out. You're not rapping. And I forgot how such a long song this is. Oh, messed up. Got it down. Good, song is over. One more song, and then I'm done with this video. Yeah, because I've been busy. I don't think I will be able to double post or all that. So yeah, I have a happy face now. Yes. Oh, I might play that next time I play this. Okay, yep. I'm doing this now. This will be the last one. Oh, no. Okay, yep. I'm still new. I have to put on easy. To sound a little jammy. This is up. Oh, sound like something I can talk to. Meow, meow, meow. Yeah.